Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equal to 4x squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x where we have 2x. So number 4 and number 2 we have number 8. Because we don't have number 8 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by du over number 8. So the integration of secant of u, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of u plus tan u. And then we put about c, about u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.